for 10 minutes, may exceed 2 or 3 minutes here and there, be patient. There are 3 parts to what I'd be speaking about. What MediaCart does, few know, not everyone, so we'll speak about that. 3D, as you see in the introduction, and contextual ads. Lot goes into it in terms of effort, technology, whole lot of artificial intelligence, machine learning. I'm not going to focus on any one of those. What I'm going to talk about is the importance of these two, and going to talk about through stories and examples. So let's move to our first story, which will establish what MediaCart does. A husband thought that the wife had developed a little bit of a problem in hearing. He did not want to hurt her feelings, so he consulted the family doctor and asked the way forward. The family doctor suggested that first we need to know the extent of the problem. So what you do is that speak to her from a distance of 40 feet, move to 30 feet, 20, 10 and so on, so that we get to know to what extent the problem exists. One evening the husband speaks to his wife, asks, darling, what's in for dinner, from 40 feet. He does not get any response. He moves to 30 feet, still does not get a response. 20 feet, 10 feet, goes as close as possible and asks, what's in for dinner? The wife turns around and says, this is the 5th time I am telling you it's fish and rice. Now, if the husband is the advertiser, the wife is the user, then the family doctor is MediaCart. What the family doctor tells the advertiser, in this case MediaCart, is what's the problem, what's the context, and how to solve it. And we do it through what we conventionally known as 5 Ws and 1 H. What we are going to focus today is about how and where. MediaCart reaches out to advertisers in India, across Middle East, Southeast Asia, and provides solutions. Let's focus at how. I'll mention a sentence in English, and the sentence goes like, I never said she stole my money. I'm repeating. The sentence goes like, I never said she stole my money. What's unique about this sentence? This sentence has 7 words, and it has 7 meanings. It depends on how you speak. Say, I never said she stole my money. The sentence means that somebody said, I did not. Now let's change the emphasis and say, I never said she stole my money. Somebody stole money, not her. If you look at this sentence, emphasis on each word would change the meaning of the sentence. What I'm trying to emphasize is how you say it changes everything, right? In context of digital advertising, in context of mobile advertising, here is where the creative plays a big role. And when I talk about the creative, I'm talking about the 3D creatives, 3-dimensional creatives. These 3-dimensional creatives have huge advantages. The 3D creatives, all the researchers have showed that it generates up to 8 times more engagement. 8 times more engagement. It generates up to 4 times more purchase intent. It gives around 44% more add to cart compared to the other creatives that we run. All and over and above that, the psychological studies have established over a period of time that the user perceives the 3D ad as actual objects, and thus sensorily the threat perception really goes down. These are the huge advantages that comes with 3D ads. So establishing what happens when you're doing an advertising on mobile is using a 3D changes everything instantly. We'll show some examples that we've done on MediaCart. There'll be a 40 second of complete silence. We will just see the images, no background sound. Yeah, so it was in silence because there is no sound even when the ad runs. But the impact remains how high I was talking about. For all these that you saw running, we always got more than 1.5% CTR, and most of the cases above 2% click-through ratios. The viewability was always above 80-85% for all these that you saw right now on screen. That is the effectiveness of 3D advertising is what we are talking about when it comes to mobile advertising. Once we speak about how, let's look at where. This is fine, but where do you run it? There was a study done in France. A boy was sent in a mall where he would ask for the number of women so that he could call them to ask for a date. The success rate was really low. He did it in front of a bakery, in front of a shoe shop, and massive failure. Around 13% of the time he got the number. But one store is where he got double the rate of success. Double the rate of success that he was getting, and that was in front of the flower shop. The background image changed everything because of the way women perceived him when he was in front of the flower shop was very different from how he was perceived when he was elsewhere. That is the power of where. That is the power of context, and that is the power of in-image context. Is something that gets the great response. As was the case of 3D here, the percentages really go up when we are talking about the ad recall. It is as high as 43% more when the ads are seen in the context. The purchase intent really goes up when it is seen in the context. Again, we'll see some images and the campaigns that we have run in context. The effectiveness is something that will be absolutely evident. This is again in complete silence. So. As done all through, I'd like to conclude again with a short story. A marine biologist once in a fish tank released a shark and lot of fishes. And we all know what would have happened. The shark attacked the fishes and ate them up. The next what the marine biologist did is that he put in an optical fiberglass in between, again released the fishes on the other side. Shark attacked and hit the optical fiberglass that was there. Initially, shark continued doing it for some time. Then it was after once in a day, and then there came a stage where sharks stopped attacking altogether. The marine biologist now removed the optical fiberglass. Shark stayed where shark was. The fish kept swimming all around the shark. Why does this happen? This happens because a very small part in our brain called amygdala associates all our actions to our learnings and experiences. That is what applies when it comes to advertising here, where we tend to do conventional things that have given us result and believe that some of the things that we want to achieve can't be achieved. Believe me, a consumer mindset can be changed when the new things like 3D ads or in-image contextual is shown to them. Try this, it works. Thank you so much for being a very patient audience.